Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make cool illustrations in Adobe Illustrator and adding a little texture to your illustrations and drawings to get a better effect. Just keep watching.
Right, so we're gonna start off by grabbing our pen tool, or you can find it right here, or press P on your keyboard. And we're gonna make everything in shapes. So we're gonna make the outline of this. We're starting off with this one. Outline all of it. Let's swap the fillet and the stroke for now so we can actually see properly what we're doing. Then with Shift X, you can swap your fill and your stroke. Otherwise, you can just press these little two arrows, this little arrow over here. Anyways, what you want to do next is drag this shape onto the plus sign here at the bottom, which will duplicate it. You then want to fill your top shape with a gradient, and you can do that by clicking over here. You can then press G on your keyboard to bring out the gradient and just click and drag and fix it for however you want your gradient to be. I want it to be something like this. Then you're going to go to Effect, Texture, Grain. Now you have to you'll find a folder of texture over here. Just open it up and you'll find grain in here. I usually, for grain type, use stippled grain, and you can play around with these values. I usually go with a pretty low contrast, and then play around with the intensity. Press OK when you're happy with it. And last thing you're gonna do is click the transparency. You can go to Window and Transparency if you can't find it over there. Anyways, the last thing you're gonna do is change the blending mode from normal to something like soft light. And there you go. You have this textured, awesome shape. And you're gonna do this for all your artwork, shoe, whatever it is you're drawing. And I guarantee an awesome effect.
Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Also comment what you'd like to see next. Follow me on Instagram, on TikTok, where I post shorter versions of these same tutorials. Be sure to check my website out, where I have some prints available and these really cool hats and some other clothing items. I'll see you tomorrow.